Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Jones and I am from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, I want to take a look at something that has been intriguing me for a minute. Let's take a look. I'm going to name it the biggest reason why Formuler media boxes are better than Buzz TV, Amazon Fire Sticks, and so many more. We're going to see one of the most single components that sets it apart. Let's take a look. Hi again, I am Jeff, and I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. This is an informational video that I'm piecing together while on my device. And what I'm looking at is what makes the Formuler devices better than a Buzz TV box, an Amazon Fire Stick, or Amazon Cube, or anything else. There's one major thing that we're going to look at, and it's called widevine. If this is your first time taking a look at the stream machines, or if on YouTube or Rumble or Odyssey, thank you so much for tuning in. Select the notification bell and go ahead and give us a thumbs up. So what I want to do to explain this, widevine, the box that I'm on, the media device that I'm on, is none other than the newest Formuler Z11 Pro Max. We should be giving one of these away by Monday, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to go to the Zeus TV browser, and I'm going to go to history, and then I'm going to go all the way down here, if I can, to Formuler Home, and I want to point out something. So I'm going to go down the page, and here's the Z11 Pro Max, the one that I'm on right now. I've owned it for about 6 months, and I've never understood in some of the specs. I'm not going to lie, I have to learn some things, but most people know what this is all about. And oops, I must have gone to the wrong one. Hang on. Go back here. Give me a second. This is the 11 Pro. Let's try this again. Sorry, I'm on my browser here. Let me go back. I want to go here. This is the 11 Pro. Sorry. Not that one. Not that one. That's the 10. Trying to get to the Pro. That's the GTV. That's my baby right there. Here it is right here. So let me click on that. All right. So let's see if it's down. So as I go down here, what I was saying was sometimes I try to act like I know what I'm doing or know what this means, but you should just go check it out. And so I did was, I looked at this right here, embedded widevine level 1 DRM. I don't understand what that means. What makes that? This is one of the biggest features that they're saying is about this box, other than Android 11, 6th generation wireless, AX connectivity. What is this embedded widevine level 3? So I want to go find out really fast. I'm going to go back to history. And let me see if I can find it here. Let's see. Here we go. Here's what I went. I went on the internet, did exactly that, and I said, what is widevine? Well, widevine was bought by Google a few years ago. The history of it, you can look it up, but I'm going to go down this blog here, and it's very interesting. And I'm going to do some things. So let's go on. I'm going to click on a refresher on DRM. All right. And this is you can see it's March 30th, 2023. It says you'd have to notice a lot of times videos on Netflix, Prime Video, and all of that are not at full resolution 1080p or 4K. You've noticed that, all right? or even on Chrome browsers. One of the reasons is that their content is protected from piracy by widevine DRM technology, and only devices with higher security compatibility are allowed to stream the best quality content. So I hear this all the time when we resell these devices that, hey, my Netflix or my Prime Video or my Disney Plus is not coming in HD quantity. Or if I didn't sell a Formuler, or if I sold a different box at the time and I didn't really understand it. So let's click on a refresher here as we go down. All right, let me hit this up. So what is DRM? Okay, it says DRM, or digital rights management, is a way to protect your content from any unauthorized use. You can set restrictions on the use of the video and have complete control. Okay, so basically, video DRM solutions protect your content by keeping the encryption key for the content safe. Usually, even with strong encryption, videos are easily downloaded by various tools, as they were able to identify the key that used it to download the videos. With DRM, you can't access the key as it is hidden in a black box setup called CDM. So, as we go down here, widevine DRM has security levels. They have level 1, level 2, and level 3. And there's a little graph here, and I'll put the link in the description of the video, but there's different levels for different boxes. So Google widevine DRM provides 3 security levels based on either the security used on the hardware or software level. These 3 levels are widevine L1, L2, L3. So before he goes any further, there has to be a trusted execution environment, TEE, and it relates to the levels of security. So I'm going to go down because a picture is worth 1,000 words. So level 1 is the highest, most powerful or encrypted place level that you could be on security wise. Level 2 is right below it, and level 3 are old and budget Android devices. All right, so let's get a good description. So widevine L1 is the highest level of security in widevine. Here the security is at the hardware level, not the software level. Most modern Android devices support widevine L1, but still there are a considerable number of devices with L3 security. So basically, if I'm running Netflix on an L1 device, it purposely restricts full HD playback to only L1 devices. That means a Formuler device, I can get the Ultra HD that Netflix, Prime Video, or whatever one of those platforms, Disney, offers, because I have an L1 device, a widevine L1 device. All right, so that's the security level there. Now, widevine L2, it says in widevine L2, only video decryption happens in the trusted environment, while video processing happens outside of it. Let me go back up to the picture. So here it is. All right. So you want to have a device that has L1 security levels. L2 is okay. So the decryption occurs in the TEE, the trusted environment, but the video processing occurs outside. So it is, susceptible to being downloaded on, and you're not going to get the best quality. Skip L3. This is the lowest quality of type of device. So what is widevine? But an indication on what device you are actually purchasing. All right. So if I have a widevine 1 on a Formuler Z11 Pro Max, according to what we just read and gone over, that means that I have the highest grade of security when it comes to video decryption and video processing at a hardware level, not a software level. So that means it's worth the penny, it's worth its money in gold, because it works very well, and I will not be restricted by the most, popular applications. So we like to do comparisons here. I went to Buzz TV. Let me go here, and I'm going to pull up their website because I want to see a little bit of, let's look at their X5 as soon as I can click on it. Let's see if the Buzz TV X5 has widevine, because I keep getting these comparisons with the Buzz TV and an NVIDIA Shield. But we're going to click on the Buzz TV X5 and let's look at the specs. So I'm going to go down here and let's see here. It says it builds on the success of Japanese Kaizen, and it's a C media player for Android. Now includes Wi-Fi 6, which so does the Formuler Z11 Pro Max, Type-C power, optimized Android 11. See, okay, it has AX, so that's the same. Quad core, okay, they have more memory than the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. The dual dynamic external antennas plus Wi-Fi 6, which we have Wi-Fi 6. What you don't see is what we just read. Out of all those specifications, I see the Amlogic quad core, 64-bit, 64 gigabyte of storage, or 128 gigabytes eMMC, and I'm not making fun of it, but where is the level of security from your box? And these little things, once you know, if you're looking for boxes and you go on eBay, you don't know what you're going to get because the Android operating system has been compromised. Most of those boxes that you buy from eBay for $60 probably have malware in them, and they don't have a really good Google Play Store because it's not an authorized Android TV device. It's a knockoff. And you get knockoff experience and wonder why it's buffering a lot, or why you're loaded up and it never runs right, because you have to do a little bit of homework. And the homework comes learning these little small things set things apart. Now, I'm not saying that you should start with a Buzz TV or a Formuler. If you want a Formuler, hit me up. I got deals all over the place. But because they're Formulers, even my DreamLink devices that are made by Formuler have the same software and coding within it. So at a hardware level, you're getting the best, if not the #1 security laden box with widevine 1, level 1 security. That is very, very powerful. And maybe that's a little bit techie for you or others. I find it absolutely fascinating because it sets it apart, and this is one of the reasons why I only use these devices. Hey, if you're interested in learning more, I'd love to hear what you thought about this. Do your own homework. I'll put the information down in the description below, and so you can check out the article. And it's my intent just to sell you the best box on the planet. And we got a one and done box from Formuler, and we'll put some information in the description of the video. Since Christmas is about 4 to 5 months away, it's a good time to start Black Friday early. Hey, thanks for looking at this. Take a look at some of our devices. If you needed some things that are budget friendly, just you can either text us, you could call us. We'd be happy to find out what you're looking for and offer you the best devices with the best warranty, best tech support, and customer support that we believe in the business. You know, we believe we're one of the best. But thank you so much for tuning in. Click the links below, and we'll see you in the next video.